Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rebecca and today what we're going to do is get a little creative. We're going to try to not screw up a ukulele. We're going to use CDs. You may be asking yourself, what is a CD? And if you are, you're too young for this video and you need to click out. So what we're going to do is break these suckers up, glue them onto my ukulele and hope that I won't screw it up. It's going to be a great day. Keep on watching. You may be asking yourself, doesn't a ukulele have more than one string? And that answer would be yes, yes it does. But I'm an idiot and not a professional, so I broke this, which holds all the strings. Isn't that fun? Hell yeah. It's not the best, but you know what, for the first try, I'm okay with it. This is the first time really messing with CDs like this and also messing with epoxy. Should I do one with DVDs? I think it'd be really pretty. I think it turned out great. Well, I think it turned out good enough for me. Oh, before I forget, I have included a link down below because there's a ton of negativity in the world and I want to make your day. So go ahead and click that link and see where it takes you. I'm not going to tell you that'd ruin the fun. Alright, until next time. I'll see you next time. Bye!